Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nayada. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I professionally edit my pictures. So join me and let's upgrade our social media platforms from today. Okay guys, so we are going to use two apps, which is Facetune and a Preview. So I'm going to use the Facetune first. I'm going to use it to edit a close-up shot and a long shot. So when you open the Facetune app, you see an image icon at the top there. I used a click image for everything to be simple for you. So right now I'm searching for the picture I'm going to edit. So I saved it to my self folder. Yeah, so I'm going to choose the picture which I'm about to edit. So let's start with a close-up shot. Nice one. Okay, so we have a lot of options down there. So I'll click on retouch. Then I'll go to smooth. Alright, so I'm going to zoom the picture. Nice one. So I'm going to use the assistive touch to make an example here, which is the same way you're going to use your thumb to do that. And mind you, please, this is not for iPhone users only. You can also use your Android phone to do that. So I'm using the two apps to edit different pictures so that at the end of this video, you get to know your favorite app. So right now I'm going to smooth the face, which you won't see. That is why I use the assistive touch to do it, so that you get to know that you use your thumb to do that. Okay, so we are almost done. So down there, I'm going to click on the mark sign. So at the options, I'm going to search for edit. Click on edit. Then we move to color. Little color won't be bad for this pic, and too much of it will spoil the pic. Alright, I think this is okay. So let's move on to the next effect, which is sharpen. And this is my favorite effect, because if your picture looks too smooth, this effect is going to save you. So I'll go back to the color and add little to it. And oh my god, do you believe in magic now? So let's move on to the next effect, which is light. We need to add some light to this picture. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. Alright, I think this is not bad. So I tried a shadow. I have some shadow on the wall, but I stopped because it affected the picture. Sometimes if you use the shadow, it doesn't affect the pic, so I stopped using the shadow. And I moved on to the next effect, which is saturation. I tried using that effect, but I stopped because I like how the pic looks now. So that is why I'm editing a close-up shot and a long shot, for you to know how to use the effects very well. So let's click on the mark sign and search for this effect, which is defocus. This effect provides blur background, which makes the picture lovely. So then you click on auto. So automatically it's going to blur the background for you. You can either choose the other one, but I always use auto so that it will automatically do it for you. So we are going to save the picture, then I'll show you the before and after. So let's click on save. Good. So now let me show you the before and after. Then guys, from today you're going to love this app. Trust me. This is the before, after, before, after. So have you seen the difference? You see the after, before, and after. So guys, I hope you see the difference now. So I use the Facetune app to edit this picture. So I'm going to edit the long shots, then you know the kind of effects you use for the close-up shot and a long shot. So right now let's start with the long shots. So I'm going to search for the picture. Yeah, I'll choose this. So for the long shots, I don't use the retouch effect, so I always go straight to the edit. Yeah, then I'll add a little brightness, color, all the effects you see there. I sometimes use all the effects. I use the brightness, color, exposure. And the light is my favorite effect. Anytime I use Facetune, I always add this effect. I really like that effect very much. And also saturation, we have structure, which is going to be our next effect. Okay, so I'll go back to the color and add some. Ooh, do you believe in magic now? This is nice. So let's save the picture. I tried to use the focus, but I didn't like it. This is for close-up shots, but for this long shots, I don't use that effect. So that is why I edited these two for you to know the difference. So this is the before and after. So let's save the pic. So guys, have you seen the difference now? This is before and this is after. Wow, before, after. So this is the Facetune app, and I hope you know the difference now, and I guess you can know how to edit your picture after watching this video. So let's move on to the next app, which is Preview, and you'll know the difference between Facetune and Preview. So at the end, you are going to get your favorite app to edit your own pics. So now let's move on to the Preview. Nice. So you can see I've used this app for so long. So let's click on the plus sign at the top there and go to photos or videos. So I'm going to search for the pic. I saved it as myself. Okay, so let's start with the long shots first. I normally use this app for long shots only, but I'll add a close-up shot for you to know the difference. Yeah. So I'm going to start with the long shots. So the first pic, that is what I'm going to edit. Good. And anytime I open to this app, I always move to the top. Yeah. Then let's go down there. You see that options there. I'm going to choose enhance. Yeah, and we have another options too. So I chose portrait, and you see the difference. We are making magic here. I even went back. If this is not okay for you, you can go back to enhance, then you choose another portrait. So I used the portrait twice and see, is this not nice? You can choose the other effect, which is night, food, but I always like the portrait. So if you choose the other effect and it's cool for you, you can use that. So now let's go to apply. Okay, so let's move on to adjust. Then we are going to use some of the effects here. What you can see down there, you have brightness. So I started with brightness and I added brightness to it. If you think the picture is okay for you, you can ignore the brightness. So this won't be bad. Oh my god. If I show you the before and after, you're going to believe in magic, okay? So let's move on to the next effect, which is exposure. Okay. This is cool. And then we move on to saturation. Okay, let's take this. The next effect, you can try all the effects, and if it's cool for your pic, fine. But this is what I'm going to use. I'm not going to use all. Okay, so let's go to apply. Done. Then let's see the before and after. This is before. Wow. Before, see the before, guys, and after. Woo! Guys, this is preview. I used preview to edit the long shots. As I said earlier, I always use Facetune to edit close-up shots and long shots, and also I use preview to edit long shots only. But I'm going to use this same app to edit a close-up shot. Then you know the difference. So this is before and after. Wow, this is preview. So let's save the pic. Done. So now let's start with the close-up shots. So I'm going to choose the pic I'm about to edit. We are going to use the same process, okay? Okay. Nice. So we are going to edit the close-up shots for you to know the difference. Okay, so we have lots of effects down there. So you can use any effects that you want. But I'm not going to use that. I want to let you know that we have so many effects here. So as we started with a long shot, let's use the same format. So let's go to the top and go to enhance. I'm going to try this portrait. Yeah. I don't like this appearance, so I have to cancel it. But if you edit yours and you choose the portrait and it's fine, you can choose that, okay? So let's go back to adjust and use the brightness. Alright, so let's move on to the next one, which is saturation. This is not bad. Okay, and vibrance. You take this. You see the first thing we used, we were able to smooth the picture, but we don't have such effects here, so that is why I'm trying to use these ones to change the pic. Yeah. So let's try the blemish. Yeah, if you have blemish too, you can use this to remove it. So let's zoom the pic, then you use your thumb to point the blemish. If you have any spots, you use your thumb to point there and it's going to remove it for you nicely. That is one thing I like about preview. Yeah, so we are done with a blemish, and we don't have much effects for this when it comes to the close-up shots. Yeah, so let's go to apply. And so let's use the focus. Let's try that one. We want to blur the background. Yeah, so you see this format is different from the Facetune. If you want to blur the background, so this is how you're going to use it. But okay, this won't be bad. Let's go to apply, and let me see if I can get any effects. Blur. Yes, you can use this, but it's not going to automatically blur the background. Yeah, you are going to do it yourself, so you're going to use your thumb to do that. You're going to blur the background, so you use your thumb to do that. So it is not like the Facetune. Facetune will automatically blur the background for you, but for this one, only focus is going to automatically blur it for you. But if you use the blur in the preview, you're going to do that yourself. So let's go to that. So let me show you the before and after. Let's save the pic before. So this is how you save the pic to your gallery. Then you choose save image. So guys, this is before and after using the preview to edit the close-up shots. But I used Facetune to edit the same pic, and you know the difference now, right? So this is also Facetune. I use Facetune to edit close-up shots, and that is why I love using the Facetune to edit close-up shots. This is also Facetune for long shots, and this is also preview for long shots. So this is why I love using preview to edit long shots. So this is what I always do. I always use Facetune to edit close-up shots and preview to edit long shots. So you can also try this and also choose your favorite app for each shot. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Nayada. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like, drop a comment and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.